In the early 20th century, the world stood at the brink of a cataclysmic event that would forever reshape the course of history. The stage was set for the First World War, a conflict of unprecedented scale and devastation that would engulf nations and change the world forever. The origins of the war are complex, a web of alliances, territorial ambitions, and long-standing rivalries. The spark that ignited this powder keg came in the form of the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary in June 1914. Austria-Hungary issued an ultimatum to Serbia, triggering a series of events that would lead to a chain reaction across Europe. The tangled web of alliances brought nations into the fray. Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottoman Empire formed the Central Powers, while France, the United Kingdom, Russia, and later the United States formed the Allies. As these alliances were invoked, the war escalated from a regional conflict to a global conflagration. The war began in earnest in August 1914, marked by trench warfare and modern weaponry. The battles were brutal, with soldiers enduring unimaginable hardships on the front lines. New technologies like tanks, poison gas, and aerial warfare introduced a new level of destruction. The conflict spread across Europe, Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Countries as far-flung as India, Australia, and Canada joined the fighting, drawn into the maelstrom of battle. The war's scope expanded beyond anyone's imagination, and the lines between aggressors and defenders became blurred amidst the chaos. Economic interests, national pride, and territorial disputes all played a role in countries' decisions to join the war. The desire for power and dominance, coupled with a sense of duty to allies, fueled the flames of conflict. As the war raged on, it became apparent that the devastation was far greater than anyone could have anticipated. The war's main reason can be traced back to a complex interplay of factors, including militarism, nationalism, imperialism, and alliances. Competing interests and a failure of diplomacy contributed to the escalation, creating a climate ripe for conflict. The war finally came to an end in 1918 after years of unimaginable suffering and loss. The signing of the Treaty of Versailles in 1919 officially ended the hostilities. The war's aftermath left scars on nations and societies, reshaping borders, economies, and political systems. The First World War serves as a somber reminder of the devastating consequences of unchecked aggression and the complex web of international relationships. It paved the way for a new era, leaving an indelible mark on the 20th century and shaping the world we know today.